They want it showy, they want it flashy, but also they're going out in the desert, so they need it durable, and they're out to have a good time. So for them, we made this factory custom General XP 1000, available in 2 and 4 seats.
This Polaris General right here is going to be the top of the lineup for 2021. It's got a lot of neat features. Hey Dave, fire it up! So first, before we dig into this factory custom, can you give me a quick overview? What is Polaris General?
Yes, Polaris General is a leader in crossover side-by-side vehicles. It's a perfect combination of tool and toy. It's got all the performance to go out on the trail for the weekend and take your family out, but you can also do some work or take extra gear with you when you do hit the trail.
And this is like the 4-star General, right?
That's
this
right.
is the top dog. So tell me, walk me through this factory custom. What is this?
Yeah, exactly. This is all new factory custom that we did for those customers that really like the best of the best. They want the bling, they want to be seen and have something exclusive, while also being very functional and hit the trail. So we started it all off in the front with a factory custom painted bumper, as well as a Pro Armor high output light bar, so you can light up the trail at night.
Okay.
You see the front suspension, you got tons of clearance, right?
Yeah.
13.5 inches of ground clearance to get over the biggest terrain, high clearance arms, and then it rolls on 30-inch Pro Armor tires to get over those large obstacles.
And
now,
talk to me about the tires, because the tread is actually different front to back, is that right?
Yeah, that's right. We actually tuned that in for a soft and comfortable ride. We found that this tread pattern and actually a softer composition of the tire actually dug into the corners better and helps with that ride and handling.
Very cool. I see LED lights, right?
That's right, yep. LED lights are standard with an accent, plus the light bar like we discussed, yeah.
But these are also a part of the XP 1000 lineup,
That's
correct?
right.
The lights themselves?
Yep. It comes across the whole General line with the exception of the Sport. Everything comes with LED lights.
Well, talk to me about these shocks and suspension too.
Yeah, these shocks are great. These are the Walker Evans Velocity Series shocks. And the great thing about these shocks is the reservoir body, or the piggyback reservoir, is actually down the body. It actually gives us multiple sections of dampening, and it turns out that they've got really good mid-speed control and exceptional bottom-out control. So, you know, we tuned it for comfort, but then when you do hit a big bump, the bottom-out control is really good, and it feels like you're never using the full suspension. It's fantastic.
And then you can also come out here, right, and adjust the knob, right, soft to
absolutely, yeah.
firm.
There's 18 positions on this clicker, so you can dial 18, so you can dial it in. Yep.
Oh my gosh, I don't know if I will be able to tell the difference between 13 and 14.
We'll just put it in the middle for you. Yeah.
But I know soft to hard, there's a huge difference.
That's right. Yep.
All right, so let's go do the interior.
Yeah, so not only did we play with the exterior, on the interior we put some nice treatments in here with all new seats, embroidered logo, some new colors in the seat with beading. And then we have a new material we're using this year that's a leather-like semi-perforated material. Steering wheel is built to match, so it's a custom steering wheel wrapped in that same perforated leather.
So what's powering this beast then?
So in here is a ProStar 1000 motor. It's got 100 horsepower, so similar to our Razor lineup. It's got 100 horsepower to get you down the trail. Very, very capable powertrain.
And I think this is, for those who don't know Generals, right? I mean, you could still kind of dump the bed. It's still the utility portion of it, basically.
Yeah, absolutely. So whether you're taking a lot of gear with you when you hit the trail, or you need to do some work on the weekends, right? This side-by-side will do both of those for you. So dumping box and tailgate, and a full line of accessories. So even if you want a cab system on it, heater system, audio system, we have all that in the full line of General as well.
All right, talk to me about these.
Launching on this factory custom, these are Pro Armor 15-inch bead locks. Again, custom painted to go with this vehicle, but really nice addition. You know, those customers that hit the trails in the desert, you know, they'll appreciate that. This allows you to air down for the different type of terrain, and then just less concern of having a flash while you're out on the trail, because it's got the bead locks right ready for you from the factory.
And this is a true bead lock, so the tire is actually sitting between the actual wheel and this ring,
Yep,
right?
that's right. Yep,
Okay.
It's true bead lock. Yep.
Okay, so you can air down what, to like 5 psi or something like that?
Yep, you can air down for the terrain that you're on, yeah.
Very cool. And you can see the different tread pattern in the back here as well, right?
Yep.
Very cool. And right here also you can see the adjustment knob on the Walker Evans shocks. So, you know, I've tested this on a Pro XP Razor recently, and I could tell a humongous difference between all soft and all hard settings. Just the attitude of the machine, how it kind of leans and how it goes down the road.
Yeah, they really do a good job putting that adjustability in there for the terrain, you know, and also controlling your body roll as well. You know, these shocks are great, and you know, this vehicle comes in a 4-seat as well. You know, so whether you have 1 passenger or 4 passengers, you know, you can adjust the shocks that easily.
Very, very cool. So
Yeah.
I gotta ask you, when is this available? And how does the pricing work out?
Yeah, great question. This is going to be available October 1st. We will be shipping them right away. As I said, we've got in a 2-seat and a 4-seat, and this LE starts at in the 2-seat it is $25,999, and on the 4-seat it's $27,999. So that's just $1,000 over the comparable General XP with the Ride Command package.
So for $1,000 you get kind of the color scheme, the special touches, the beadlock wheels, front bumper with the light, all that stuff.
With the light, the seats, and the steering wheel. Yep. And then obviously it comes with Ride Command and the Rockford Fosgate Stage 4 system. Very cool. It's an industry only that we have a Stage 4 400 watt with a subwoofer from the factory.
Can you show me the speakers?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Oh, talk to me a little bit about the Ride Command too.
Ride Command is a industry exclusive with Polaris, or developed by Polaris. It's a 7-inch touchscreen that does a lot of things for you when you're out on the trail, right? So it's got GPS mapping as well as group ride, so you can actually track others that are in your group on the GPS screen. It also has gauges, a number of different gauges that you can cycle through and customize to your own liking. You can connect your phone, right, for calls, messaging, but as well as music, which you can control right here. So like I said, this is developed in concert with Rockford Fosgate, and this particular one has 4 speakers and a subwoofer.
Oh, I can see that they're kind of in the ceiling. 2 of them are up here.
Yep. We've got 2 overhead here, and then we've got the 2 in the footwells here with the subwoofer up under the dash.
Okay. And is this the little antenna for the kind of the Ride Command system?
That's right, yeah. So this is what we call V2V, which is vehicle to vehicle, and this antenna actually allows us to transfer information from one vehicle to another. So if you got a group of vehicles, it'll actually transfer that information and transfer them from one vehicle to the next.
You can kind of see it on the map, right?
Yeah, right. So I can show you here. I've actually linked it together. This screen is pinch and zoom, and if I zoom on in here, you can see the Generals that we were riding earlier today are parked right over there, and right now they're not moving, so they're actually X'd out in grade. So if you're in a group, that would tell you that, oh man, maybe someone ran out of gas or has got a flat tire because they're not moving.
Or maybe they're having lunch without you.
Or they're having lunch without us, yeah.
No.
So we gotta go back and check out the situation. But yeah, this is really handy because you can make a group and you know exactly where everyone is in your group, you know. Also think about riding in the dust. No longer do you have to stay with the person in front of you and eat their dust. You can tail back and get fresh air, yet still know where they are at all times.
So you don't have to have like a radio system always talking to your friend.
Right, yep, you can just see them, yeah. Yeah, because you'll be too busy listening to music to be talking to them.
That's nice.
Right?
And guys, if you want to see a lot more about this Polaris General and entire lineup and changes for 2021, stay on this channel. There are videos on this channel. And also go to TFLoffroad.com for all the latest. Thanks.